Alright, welcome to episode 22 of this rat rod build I'm doing. Last video I explained I've been sick for 3 or 4 weeks. I just can't shake it. I'm actually going to get the Bronco body out in the middle of, in front of the garage here. And I'm going to attempt to jack it up and put it on stands and put this chassis underneath of it. So maybe, just maybe, I might have the body on the chassis. Now, the reason I'm putting the body on the chassis is because I'm super excited and I want to see how it looks. But not only that, I need to make custom motor mounts and stuff, and I figured instead of buttoning everything up like the welds, I want to put plates on the welds on all the seams from bending the new rails and stuff. I figured I'd figure out where the motor mounts need to go. That way I can take care of everything. I might be able to make cross members and stuff like that. That'll help reinforce everything up on the front end. But I'm not really worried about how I'm going to do it. But the one thing I need to do is I need to get the body over here. And as you can see right now, the body's next to my carport. And what I'm thinking about doing is I'm thinking about using my truck and a tow strap and just drag it out here and then start jacking it up. Yesterday, or yeah, more or less last night, I got some 7-foot 2x4s and I screwed them together with deck screws. I'm hoping that these will support the weight of the Bronco body. I mean, I can walk up to it and lift it up, so I'm not worried about these. The only thing is I'll have to do everything front and back, front and back, front and back to get it up high. And then to drop it on the chassis, I'm going to have to do front and back to lower it. I can't do it all in one shot. But, yeah, so I'm going to do that. The body's gonna have to come off again because I have a lot of more work to do. But yeah, just for now, I'm gonna try doing that, and you guys get to watch me fail or succeed. So here we go. All right, so I have my chassis over there. I have the rear facing this way because when I use my truck to drag the body out, the front of the Bronco body is gonna be facing this way, and I can roll the chassis underneath of it when I get up on jack stands. The reason I'm doing it that way is because the rear of the Bronco is shorter wheelbase this way than the LeBaron front end by a few inches, so it'll be easier for the back to clear the jack stands. Like I said, I'll either fail or succeed. I should put more wood. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna do that. Maybe it'll either do two things. It'll slide across the wood, or it'll grab it, and this Bronco will just have skis. It's worth the try. This is so fucking sketchy. Whatever, bros. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah. Well, that worked. Kind of dug in the ground a little bit, but it worked. Oh man. Oh, I cannot wait. Alright. So, first order of business, besides dragging it over here. I need to get it up on jack stands. So let me start that now. Alright, this is part of the video where I tell you not to do things like this. I only do them because I have no other way. Alright, here we go. Alright, that should be good. Sketchy, sketchy, sketchy. Alright, now let this down and then I'll jack up on that piece, raise the jack stands as I go to the tippy top, and then I'll figure out how to get the chassis under there. I might, like I said before, might have to take the wheels off and just drag it underneath. I don't want to do that, but I don't have the stuff to be doing this in the first place. Come on, nice and easy. There we go. Alright, so I ran into a problem. The jack's already extended out. I've got the wood on this piece, but I can't put it on that piece, so I'm just going to lift it up. There we go. Alright, so now I'm going to move my truck. I'll back up the chassis to the front of this and go from there.